To today's video, where I reveal the ultimate herbal hair oil recipe that will transform your hair care routine. This powerful blend is made with natural herbs and ingredients to promote hair growth, prevent hair fall, and restore your hair's shine and strength. If you've been struggling with dull, dry, or thinning hair, this DIY oil is the solution you've been searching for. What makes this hair oil so unique? It's packed with time-tested herbs like curry leaves, bay leaves, shikakai, amla powder, and pershosha, spikenard, all known for their miraculous benefits for hair. I've also included rare and powerful ingredients like nagamutha, nutgrass, Bhringraj, false daisy, rattan jot, alkana tinctoria, alkanet root, rosemary. These are combined with hibiscus flowers, neem leaves, nigella seeds, black seeds, kalonji, and fenugreek seeds to create a powerhouse for hair rejuvenation. To make it even more nourishing, I've added aloe, Vera gel, onion peels, and onion juice. This herbal hair oil is not just a product, it's a complete natural therapy for your hair. Watch the video till the end to learn how to prepare this magical oil and get all the tips on how to use it effectively. Your dream of healthy, long, and beautiful hair is just a step away. Stay tuned. Ingredients: 6 bay leaves and 6 curry leaves, 10 grams pershosha, spikenard, 10 grams amla powder, Indian gooseberry powder, and 10 grams shikakai powder. Acacia, consina. 10 grams nutgrass, nagar, mutha, 10 grams Bhringraj, false daisy, 10 grams rattan jot, alkana tinctoria, alkanet root, 10 grams rosemary, 10 grams balchar, valerian roots, 10 grams hibiscus, flowers 10 grams, neem leaves 10 grams nigella seeds, black seeds kalonji, 10 grams fenugreek seeds. To extract the maximum nutrients from these powerful herbs, the next step is soaking. Take 2 kilograms of water in a large bowl or pot. Add all the herbs and powders to the water. Stir well to ensure all the ingredients are fully submerged. Cover the bowl and let the herbs soak overnight, 8 to 12 hours. This soaking process helps release the essential nutrients from the herbs, making the infusion more potent and effective for hair growth. After soaking the herbs overnight, they will release their powerful nutrients into the water, creating a rich infusion for hair growth. The next day, follow these steps. Take a large aloe vera leaf, cut off both side edges to remove the thorns, and soak it in water for 2 to 3 hours. This helps remove the yellow resin, latex, making it safe for use. After soaking, cut the aloe vera into small pieces. Take 2 to 3 medium-sized onions, peel them, and cut them into small pieces. Also, keep the onion peels aside, as they will be used in the mixture. Aloe vera deeply nourishes the scalp, strengthens hair, and adds shine, while onions and their peels are rich in sulfur, promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall. In the next step, we will boil all these ingredients together to extract maximum benefits. Stay tuned. Now take a large pot and follow these steps. Add 1 kilogram of water to the pot. Pour in the herbal infusion, the water in which the herbs were soaked overnight. Add the soaked aloe vera pieces, chopped onions, and onion peels to the pot. Place the pot on low flame and let it simmer gently. Boiling on a low flame allows the nutrients from the herbs, aloe vera, and onions to infuse completely into the water, creating a powerful base for the hair oil. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Let me know in the comments which country you're from. Now, let the mixture cook on low flame until half of the water reduces. Stir occasionally to ensure all the ingredients release their nutrients into the infusion. This slow cooking process helps extract the maximum benefits from the herbs, aloe vera, and onions. Once the water is reduced by half, the mixture will be ready for the next step. Stay tuned. the mixture through a muslin cloth. I am using half of the herbal infusion for my magical herbal shampoo, which I will be sharing soon. The remaining half is being used for herbal hair oil. Now, I am adding 500 milliliters of mustard oil to the infusion and placing it on low flame, allowing the herbs to release their full benefits into the oil. Stay connected for my upcoming magical herbal shampoo recipe. Cook the oil on low flame and stir it constantly to prevent the herbal infusion from settling at the bottom and sticking to the pot. You'll know the water has evaporated when no more steam rising from the oil. Bubbling slows down and sizzling sound reduces. Herbs appear dry and crisp, settling at the bottom. Oil turns clear with no splattering. Once ready, strain the oil using a muslin cloth and store it in a clean bottle. Stay connected for my upcoming magical herbal shampoo recipe. Use this herbal hair oil every alternate day or 3 to 4 times a week. Gently massage it into your scalp, using your fingertips to improve blood circulation and enhance absorption. Leave it on for 2 to 3 hours. Or for the best results, leave it on overnight before washing it off. If you found this herbal hair oil recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural remedies and hair care tips. Leave a comment below if you try it out and let me know how it worked for you. Stay tuned for my magical herbal shampoo recipe coming soon. Thank you for watching.